Hello, my Villa Deluxe family. My name is Nisha Nelson, a mother, a wife, an entrepreneur with a heart full of big dreams. I wear many hats, but my absolute favorite is being the heart and soul behind Villa Deluxe Paradise. Listen, I'm a Jamaican to the core. I was born and raised in Jamaica, migrated to the US when I was 32 years old to join my husband. I live between both countries, but Jamaica is always home to me. Villa Deluxe was born from the deep desire of knowing that I did not want to live a foreign forever. So when I decided to migrate, my husband and I made a promise that we wanted to build our dream home back in Jamaica. A place where we could eventually retire, relax, and reconnect with our roots. Listen, let me share a little secret with you. You should always surround yourself with friends who will challenge you to dream big. I remember when I decided to share my vision with one of my closest girlfriends. She listened, she smiled, she said, "I'm so proud of you, but I don't think you're dreaming big enough." And that moment changed everything for me. It pushes me to think beyond what I felt was comfortable, to dream so big it scares me. So if you have a dream or a vision and when you think about it, it does not scare you a little, it simply means you are not dreaming big enough. And that is how Villa Deluxe Paradise came to life. Managing a construction project from another country is a journey on its own. We had to rely heavily on our contractor, the great Michael Taylor, to whom we are forever grateful. He was so trustworthy and patient, but still there were setbacks, delays, unexpected costs that tested us in every way. But we stayed the course and focused on the vision. The design and decor of the villa was inspired by years of traveling. My husband and I had been to some beautiful places, and I always snap a picture thinking that I want to bring back small pieces of that feeling back into our home. And I also spent hours researching luxury spaces, and that is how Villa Deluxe Paradise came to life. From a bold vision of knowing that I did not just want to build a home, but a beautiful sanctuary where friends, families, and guests can come to relax, recharge, and experience real Jamaica. And that is why one of our mantra at Villa Deluxe Paradise is luxury that feels like home in a place that feels like heaven. Because when you book a stay with us, you're not just booking a vacation, you are stepping into our story, one that is filled with love, culture, good food, and genuine care. So whenever you are ready, our doors are open to you, and we are here with open hearts.